What's up guys, welcome to Combat University. Today I'm going to teach you how to defend against a punch using a Wing Chun type strike. So watch this bar scene from the movie Boondock Saints and I'll meet you back here to go over this technique. Let's check it out.
What would you do if I told you your pinko commie mother sucked so much...
Welcome back. So you saw in that scene where the attacker just threw a punch, and that's what I'm going to show you how to defend against. But I just want you to know that I say Wing Chun type because I'm not a Wing Chun practitioner. I practice a lot of different martial arts, but this is not one of them. So please don't get offended if this is not exactly correct. But from when I watch it, this is what it appears to be. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're standing here in our defensive stance. Our attacker, Bob here, throws a punch. We're just going to go across block here. So block, and we're going to do a backhand right to the face. So it'll look like this. Here. From here, block, strike. We're just going to come in here and we're going to knee. And when the opponent bends over, we're going to step back and elbow to the top of the head. Block here, strike, knee, step back, elbow down to the head. Hi! Hi! So if you want, we could do this from the other side. It would just be here, it'd be blocked this way, right back fist, step in, right knee, step back, left elbow. For this technique, you could also do it to the outside. So again, if you went the other way and you punched with the right, and you blocked, you could still strike here over it, but his leg would be this way, so instead of coming straight up to hit that leg, you'd have to come more at a 45-degree angle here up, and then from here you could still step and strike the head. So what happens if we got struck first? What would we do? From here, we got punched in the face, we would be here. We can still do the same thing, but instead of blocking this way, we're going to put our left hand out to make sure that he can't punch us again. Here, we're going to block that arm, and then we're going to come in, strike the face, knee, step back, elbow to back of the head. So one more time, if we're struck first. So for more advanced footwork, what I do is I bring myself into what's called a cat stance. Basically, all your foot is on this leg, and this foot is just resting on the ball of the feet on the ground, right? That way you can move forward and you can strike. So the first thing I do when I block is I jump into that cat stance and then I can strike. And from here, I can move and knee. You can do it flat-footed. It just takes a little bit longer to get to where you need to be. So just step, cat stance, strike, same time. So for our final technique, we're going to be the aggressor. We're not going to let our opponent strike us first. We're going to take action first. So we're facing our opponent. He's aggressive. From here, strike, knee, elbow. You'll notice that I didn't give him a chance to strike first. It was just here, strike, knee, and finished him off. Now on to the heavy bag. Okay, so for the bag, I'm going to go over each technique one time. The first, the independent. We see him punching. Block, strike, knee, elbow, pacifist. We got hit. Right. Now for the aggressor. Aye. Elbow down. Now I'm going to show you how to do this technique freeform. From behind. Block. Backhand. Step. Knee. As he bends over, we're going to step back and hammer the back of the head. So for the front view, strike, knee, elbow. Now all that's left is for you to go and try it. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here next time to go over more self-defense techniques.